Hi guys, so this is my cousin, and we're on Instagram again. We're on Instagram.
Where are you going from?
We're on Instagram again. We're gonna go. What is it? It looks like you have lipstick. Wait, wait. No, I thought I just see something there, but it was just a dog. So you look like you have lipstick.
No, I'm sad. What's that? What's that?
We're on Instagram.
Oh, Instagram?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna play with you guys? I have no friends here. No, I'll stay here.
Rabbit. No.
Ay, yo. Hey, Cookie. Don't be aggressive. Wait, I forgot. That's not cookie. That's bread. Yeah, but bread is my friend in Taguig. Yeah. Say hi. Introduce yourself on Introduce yourself on Introduce yourself. Who's that? Is that black? Wait. Okay, guys. Let's put that to that. This is Frankie, 6'7", feminist. I'm 6'7", tall.
No, don't listen to Ate Dana. Because I'm a good guy. And handsome.
You punch me.
I just continue vlogging. That's what Frankie said. And she's also 6'7", feminist, femboy.